Hi guys, hello and namaste everyone. So guys, no moon has been completed, finished and new moon has started. And behalf of this new moon, let's see guidance. And this new moon is in Aquarius zodiac sign, which is air sign. So let's see the first message. Okay, open up to the change. So new moon, new energies, new beginnings. Behalf of this might happen with a lot of you, that sudden change may happen, some transformation may take place, but you need to have an open mind. You need to keep your mind open, your heart open. Don't be closed off, because initially looking at that particular change, you may think that this is not something that I'm looking for, seeking for, but you never know which change can take you where. So keep a more positive mindset and be open to the change. This is what has been said to you. Second message is, okay, bring love into the situation. So guys, maybe you are going through some situation where it has become very negative or toxic or whatsoever, very frustrating also, but you need to bring love in this situation. You may be someone who feels that I've been restricted, no one is understanding me, this and that. Please try to understand the other people's perspective also, or that other person's perspective also. Why are they doing like this? Talk with them and bring love into them, into this situation. Like, just don't talk to them or discuss with them just to answer. Also understand them, that's the thing. And if you are someone, you are being too strict or so, something like that, or anything this can be, please understand the opposite person also. Okay, there is another message, and here's it is said that behalf of this new moon, you may get a lot of creative ideas, new ideas, a lot of things. So you here are being advised that you need to embrace those ideas, those thoughts, and you have something unique in you. So you have that something other perspective, you think something unique, you do something unique. So embrace it and accept it, that you have something uh, unusual other than others also. This has been said to you, and have a vision according to that. This has been said. And guys, let me tell you one thing, that yesterday was solar eclipse also. Yes, it wasn't visible in India, but energies are everywhere. So behalf of that also, a small reading will come. So do watch it. It might be beneficial for you. So till then, thank you so much. And last again, I would say, please acknowledge the messages, open up to change, embrace love and your new thoughts and